Hi, I'm Caitlin Embrich. I'm an associate attorney here at Sherer Law Offices. We have offices in Belleville, Illinois and Edwardsville, Illinois. Today we're going to be talking about the terms of maintenance, or what used to be called spousal support or alimony. We get a lot of questions about whether or not maintenance has a specific formula and how long maintenance is going to last. In 2015, Illinois passed some new laws which sets forth the amount of time maintenance is to be paid and how we calculate maintenance. One of the newest changes that is coming in 2018, however, is a change to the determination of how long maintenance should be paid. So it's really important, if you have or you believe that you have a maintenance obligation and you're thinking about filing for divorce, that you get that petition on file as soon as possible, because maintenance is set, the length of maintenance is set based on the time that you have been married to your spouse at the time that the divorce is filed. So it's very important to look at that and determine how long you've been married to someone when determining when to file. If you have additional questions about this, we can certainly sit down with it for a consultation and discuss your rights and your obligations. Give us a call at 618-692-6656 or visit us at shererlaw.com.